Hello and welcome guys to my channel. Today I am showing you how to draw a realistic drawing of hairs. So firstly I am shading the lower layer with 2B graphite pencil. After shading I have blended it with a blending brush, or you can use normal painting brush for it. And after that, for second layer I am using 8B pencils of Camlin. For the uppermost layer of hairs, I am using 10B graphite pencils of Artline. I have used homemade blending stump for blending the uppermost layer. If you want to see the video of making blending stump, you can click on the link given in the description. I have used correction pen for highlighting the hairs. You can also use Tombow erasers. If you want me to draw your portrait as a commissioned work, send me the link of your channel and the photo which you want to be made on my WhatsApp number given in the description. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, subscribe to my channel and like